Frankie. Hey. Were you hiding? Where were you when I got here? Stop smelling my foot. Where were you? Were you hiding? So, when I got here, Mia wasn't fucking here, so I thought I was gonna have to tell my boyfriend that the cat died.
No, Mama. I was just hiding, Mama. I'm just an asshole. I'm not dead. Here I am, Mama. Look at me. Did you miss me, Mia? Did you miss me? Come here. Come here, Mama. Hi. Mia? Come here, Mama. Oh, I missed you. I know, Mama. Hi. Are you pretty? Are you pretty, girl? Hi. Thank you, Mama. That's good. Oh, thank you, Mama. Come here. Hi. Hi. You keep giving me hugs? Did you? Oh, keep hugging me? Are you helping? Are you helping? Or are you making a fucking mess? Thank you. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? I'm helping, Mom. Do you want to take a bath too? Mia? What? Oh. Hello. Okay.
It's Soup, you dingus. Soup, you're a cat.
Hi, Mama. What are you doing? Okay.
You're so awkward.
Give me a kiss. You.
Who invited you? Fuck off. Are you close enough, Mia? Please continue to dig your nails into my skin. I'm gonna clip your nails tomorrow and you're not gonna like it. The cat literally wanted to hold hands.
Mia. Are you holding my hand?